We are at the Glaslyn Museum. I worked here actually when I was 19 years ago. Those aren't hula hoops, Elle. And there's a float that will go up on that pole to let you know how full it was. We're walking behind for some reason that I don't understand, but Elle wants to. I'm not taking, okay, fine. By the shed. Okay, look here. There you go. So see, they've railroad tracks just go down there, and then you can't go in there, right? You need somebody that works here. So at the Glaslyn Library, at the Glaslyn Museum, I'm taking pictures. I took pictures of you. There's this grater, this old grater. I already did take a picture of you there, honey. There you go. I'm going to try to walk on the train tracks. Huh. I want a video more than just this. Oh, that's okay. I don't think it's terribly scary. Yes, there's a pile of rocks. Did somebody put them there on purpose? We're running so scared. There. Oh, look at all these old pieces of machinery. Can you name that one? If you can, comment. Can you name this one? If you can, comment. Yes, it's a frog. You can name this one. Comment. There's the train. I used to like going in there whenever I worked here. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture of Elle. Very cool, Elle.
Did you take one?
Yep. What's this? I think that one's pretty evident.
You gotta take a picture.
Oh, Wally's not looking over here. Here's Wally's tire shop. A video. Try to video him.
Did you take a picture of me?
He's not seeing me. Yes, I did. There's the... So this thing, comment again if you know what it is. Comment if you know what this is. Same thing. Comment if you know what this thing is.
I don't know what it is, but I think this thing could still work.
You think it could? Actually, it does look like it could maybe still work. Because it's not like it has an engine or, a motor. Comment if you know what this thing is. Comment if you know what this is. Oh, you're pulling it.
I think I hooked horses up to that.
Maybe.
Do you think this is dangerous if I go on here?
This would be a tractor, like farm implement lover's dream. To see all this stuff. Probably.
I don't know what I'm doing.
Well, maybe you should get down. We have to get home and make... Look at the beautiful railway street avenue, whatever. Glassland. That's an old building. That's Lake and Country Realty. And it has the water tower gallery to go with the water tower on the train deck. If you're wanting a tour of the train station, house, shed, and water tower, please come into the train station house to let us know. And we will be more than happy to take you. Thank you. Glaslyn and District Museum.
Hey, can we do that?
No, because nobody's in there, remember? what's in there. Oh, I haven't seen this for years. Stop trying to open the door. You can't open it. It's got a padlock. And either way, you can't break and enter. Employee suggestions. Cash for ideas. We're on to the tractor. Yeah, you can. What's this thing? Massey Harris Super 26. What do we think that is? Very nice. Well, look at, does anyone have any idea what that is? Probably. Does anybody know what this thing is? This thing? Okay. Guess we need to go wide shot. What's that tractor pulling? And there's the monument. Let's go see the monument. Unique gifts. Water Tower Gallery. Ternesky's Hardware. That's the Ternesky building. Elsie Ternesky lives at the top. Ternesky Grocery and Ternesky Hardware. Here is it says, to the glory of God and in memory of our comrades who gave their lives in the Great War 1914 to 1918. Erected by Comrades of the Northern Lakes Branch, GWVA. I'm coming around and I'm gonna see you. Oh, look at you up there. You were supposed to say what it was. Okay, we know what it is now. Okay. I took 2 pictures of you. You look fantastic. Seriously. Man, oh man, that's awesome. No, how did you get up there? Like the CWC? I don't think that this part of it would work anymore though. The pickups, the teeth, they look okay, but this does not look okay. Yeah, they're not called boards. I think they're called, what are they called, you guys? Is it paddles? Is that the right word? Well, maybe somebody else knows. Do you think that you know as much as John Koop? Probably not. I'm just kidding. You guys are very smart. You might know. There's the train. Elle, it's time to say bye. We have to go home now.